How to transfer contacts from Android to OnePlus. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, you're going to learn how to transfer your contacts from any Android phone to your new OnePlus device in a few steps. Let's make sure none of your important contacts are left behind. Part 1. Use your Google account. First method, using your Google account. On your old Android phone, go to Settings, Accounts, and Google. Make sure Contact Sync is turned on. Now, on your OnePlus phone, sign in with the same Google account. Go to Settings, Google, Account Sync, and enable Contacts. Your contacts will automatically sync and appear in your OnePlus Contacts app. Part 2. Using OnePlus Clone Phone app. Second method. Using the OnePlus Clone Phone app. Download and open the Clone Phone app on both phones. On the OnePlus tab, this is the new device. On the old phone tab, this is the old device. Scan the QR code shown on the OnePlus using the old phone. Select contacts and start the transfer. This method is fast and can move in more than just contacts. Part 3. Exporting a VCF file. Third method. Manually exporting a VCF file. On your old phone, open the Contacts app and go to Settings, Export. Save the file, then transfer it to your OnePlus using email, Bluetooth, or USB. On your OnePlus, go to Contacts, Settings, Import, and choose the VCF file. And that's it. This was a quick tutorial on how to transfer contacts from any Android phone to your OnePlus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.